Hi, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this gorgeous cranberry eye look for fall. So to begin, you're going to take the eyeshadow in the shade called That's My Jam, and you're going to apply that all over your eyelids, taking a slightly damp brush to apply it. I find that I personally like this because it enriches the color a little bit more. And then what I did is I started by patting the color from the outer corners of the eyelid and working my way in, being careful to not go all the way into the inner corners of the eyes because you're going to be blending it out. Also, be careful to not go above the crease, so you're just going to stick with this color on the eyelids. The next thing that I did is I just took a dry brush and I blended the color out a little bit. If you let it sit for just like a second, it'll settle in. If it's wet, you might kind of get a smeary effect, so just keep that in mind. The next thing that I did is I took the eyeshadow in the shade called Sugar and Spice and I blended that into the crease to kind of blend these two colors together, so it kind of fades from this cranberry color to this gorgeous spicy brown color. Then I wanted to highlight my eyes, so I took the eyeshadow in the shade called Buttercream and I applied that to the inner corners of the eyes, and then I also applied it to the brow bone as well. To line your eyes, take the eyeliner in the shade called Black and do a very thin line on the upper lash line. You can also do the bottom lash line if you want and then just smoke it out. One other thing that I wanted to do as well is I actually lined very carefully on the upper lash line, and then I also applied it a little bit like into my lash line. This is going to help create some definition to the lashes as well, just so that that lash base is very dark. And I find that when I do a colorful eyeshadow look, like I want the color to show, so doing a thin line helps with that, and then also to kind of give you the appearance of a thicker line without taking over the color, you can blend the eyeliner really into the lashes as well. And of course, to finish off the eyes, I applied the Lash Project mascara. I did about 4 coats on the top and then I did 1 coat on the bottom. To finish off this makeup look, I applied the lipstick in the shade called Naughty. Whenever I do a colorful makeup look like this, I like to balance it out with a nude lip. And I really liked Naughty for this makeup look because it has a little bit more warmth to it, which complements the warmth of the Sugar and Spice eyeshadow. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and until next time, take care. Bye!